using this, the greatest invention of the 19th century.
Yes. Lovely.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
I mean, the pleasure this has given me is immeasurable, which is ironic because it's a tape measure.
Yes.
And whoever extends it the furthest distance before it touches the floor wins.
So, Chris Ramsey, you're up first. Good luck, mate. Here we go. This is the most satisfying game. It's simple, but it's beautiful.
I mean, it does look compromising, doesn't it?
OK.
You ready? He started.
I've started.
OK. 57.
Oh, come on, Chris.
It's decent, this.
73. 112. Stir, please. 129.
Look at the focus in his eyes.
145. Clear, please. 158. 158.
Sorry, Mary.
196.
OK.
223.
Oh.
261.
Just quickly, you look like one of those little peeing statues.
292.
Oh, my God!
318.
318?
348.
It looks like me measuring my erection. Don't let it touch the floor, Chris. Don't let it touch the floor.
365.
365. Oh, my God. Wait, go with it, Chris. Go with it. Well done, Chris. Chris lost it under the pressure.
So it's 365 to beat. Go, Lucy, let me just get my angle. Yep. 41.
Aim it right up. That's lovely.
61.
I'm already shaking.
79. 122. 165.
This is just the weirdest thing that's ever happened.
188. 224.
224, go. You can do it, Lewis.
260.
Wow.
What's his score?
I think he was 365.
Look at the concentration on her face.
283.
Oh.
What have I got to beat?
365.
Oh, fuck.
OK, Mary, can you please confirm we won that game?
Chris certainly measured up. He's won!
Chris is the winner!